The walls of light and love bring to the inhabitants of the earth all the support and energies which allow them their ascension and their evolution. This evolution will require great changes and great awareness in order to go within and find oneself. The inversion has lasted long enough. This world is opening its eyes and realizing how much it has been deceived. The sacred marriage or the sacred union is lived from within with your divinity. Everyone has this responsibility to see themselves plunging into their depths, to achieve balance, and to marry the divine within themselves. Little by little, step by step, balance your poles, your sacred masculine and feminine, your yin and yang, your heaven-earth relationship. As the sun and the moon are in harmony, gold and silver for the alchemists, the god and the goddess will be in balance in us. And thus, we will become the new human representatives of the fifth dimension on earth. It will be the new earth. This Mother Earth that brings us so much knowledge will allow us to recover the memory of the star seeds that we are. The energies that we receive encode our DNA and our cells again. Everything awakens in us to allow us to find ourselves. Be attentive to yourself, your body, your sensations, your emotions. This great cleansing will allow each of you to find your depths and discover yourself. This divine marriage in each one will bring you closer to the unity and the Trinity indeed. The body, the soul and the spirit will become one, and your consciousness will merge with the law of the one. Thus, the new Atlantis will be born on earth. All humans will have recovered their memory, the respect for themselves, for nature, the environment, the wisdom, the peace, love and joy. Each one will remember his divine nature within his incarnation body and will take care of himself. Perfect health will be for all, since it is the founding nature. Each one will know how to say that he is the perfect expression of the celestial sacred harmony and surrender to the divine flow. The new Atlantis on earth will be the bridge of light between heaven and earth, and it is you who will represent it. You humans who are conscious and free from the old patterns, you who have welcomed divine grace into your being, you who have ascended with the frequencies of the earth, you who have listened to the messages of your soul, of your deepest being, you who have welcomed the way of the Divine Mother into your hearts. You have all grasped the hand held out by the invisible with trust and faith, guiding you towards what is best for you on your path of evolution from the One. You have known how to listen to the divine intelligence that is within you and to embody the sacred words of the divine that you carry. For you are recognized as a celestial being in permanent evolution towards the One. The new Atlantis is created by you. Welcome this journey into the different worlds. You will access it through your inner world by reconnecting to all your memories and exposing your light. The earth will welcome you in your new version, for each one has to work on the perfection of his inner vision. Everything reverberates in all dimensions, in a love that unites all things. This is life. The new life on earth, with the heavenly grace in each of us found, the creativity overflowing, for we are the creators of this new world, and our bodies are seeded with fractals of the divine. The full presence of each one is a blessing. The worlds of light and love assist us in this perfect plan. Receive their encouragement, their blessing, their unconditional love for all of you brothers and sisters of the new Atlantis on earth. This was a message from Saïa, Syl'Vie, read for you by Adriana.